What are we catching? A cloud. Oh, that's just like me. That's just like me. Ooh. I also catch a clownfish. A lobster. Whoa. This area is so pretty. What is this? Shimmer pond. Catch me at the shimmer pond. Cute. My poor elbows. Hi, you're just like creepily standing there. Who's there? Never mind. I don't care who you are. Just leave. Damn. What are you doing? What are you doing out here by yourself? Of course, I'm here on behalf of my master, who wouldn't understand our bond. You wouldn't understand our bond. Besides, beneath its calm surface, countless mysteries are waiting to be discovered in Breezy Meadow. Are the legendary creatures of the forest connected to the gods? Where does the sky monarch fly to? Let's not forget the Pisces that sing at midnight. Is there anything else you want to ask? If not, please leave quickly and don't disturb my waiting. Okay, bye. Leave before the mysteries reveal themselves. Oh my. Sippies, you're so right. I do need sippies, my poor throat. Oh, I gotta pour it into my teacup. Okay, I think I have 3 cups of tea left in this teapot. Sippy time. Just let my poor mud dress and push on the mud. No, it's so pretty. Oh, what is that? Dead. Kill. Will they even see me? Will they? I tapped out. Oh my god. I'm back in the game. Hi. Okay, let me not tap out again, please. Be right back. Fab. I just can't do it. I can't be quiet. Like, I could have lost my voice completely and I'll still find a way to be chatting. Oh. There's a ball. Guide the ball to the designated area. Oh, okay.
Yep.
Did I win? I think I just won. Wow. Esports. Oh, no. I need to get it right at the end. Okay, yep. Okay. You ready? Oh, I don't think that's close enough. Nah, it's not. Damn. Do I have to do it? Oh, no. Shit, oops. I wish we could spend our fishy gold. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? When do you get to hit the pokies again? True, I need to do a little bit of gamba before we end stream. Oh, I did it way too late. I gotta do it right at the end. My brain's just not keeping up with my hands. Okay. That one surely. Wait. Oh, that's an angle. Good. Okay. Yay. Brain's starting out the ears. It's done. I want sleep. I am done. My throaty hurt. I got a star. Yippee. Okay. I should go rob other people's fields. Virtual, of course. Naturally, of course. Wink. Wait, let me wink. Hang on, winking's hard. Wait. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I should eat right now. Yeah, no, we're about to end. Don't worry. I'm gonna get all these, and then we're gonna do a little bit of gamba. First, I'm gonna murder this man and take all of his money. In game, of course. should have some of these. Claim ore. Claim ore. And claim ore. We should have quite a bit of money, right? Mirror level. Inject yourself with coffee, so true. How could we have not thought of this? And then we're gonna go store. Still the right. No. Diamond. Here we go. We can only afford 3. Oh my god. They're rough. Then residence. Oh, I got a kappa. I only have. Oh my god, I can't do a full temple. That's so infuriating.